Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abdullah is his dear father, Amna is his dear mother, Abu Muttalib grandfather. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born in Makkah but was forced to go to Medina. His first friend is Abu Bakr. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As soon as Muhammad became messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Khadija became his first supporter. His friends are Hazrat Umar, Usman and Haidar. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abu Talib was his dear uncle. Abu Lahab was very cruel. Abu Jahl was a great sinner. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Hindu, Muhammad says you good to Allah is our creator. Muhammad is the last messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam.